Hello everyone, welcome to another English learning video. This video will help you improve your speaking skills. Today I will tell you a story. It is about a young man named Adam. One small mistake changed his life. I will tell the story sentence by sentence. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat after me. This will help your brain learn English. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Adam Brown. This is the story of the day I lost my phone. That day changed my life. I am 25 years old. I live in London. I work in a small bookshop near my home. Every day is very simple. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I sell books. I come back home. I watch TV. Then I sleep. My life is quiet. I do not have many friends. I do not go to parties. I like reading and walking in the park. One Friday morning, something different happened. I was late for work. I woke up at 9 o'clock. My work starts at 9. I jumped out of bed. I put on my clothes fast. I did not eat breakfast. I ran to the bus stop. The bus was already there. I ran and got on the bus. I was breathing very fast. I sat down and checked my pocket. My phone was not there. I checked my bag. No phone. I checked my jacket. No phone. My heart started beating fast. My phone was very important. All my contacts were there. My photos were there. My work messages were there. I thought, maybe I left it at home, but I was already on the bus. I could not go back. I got off near my work. I walked to the bookshop. My boss was standing at the door. "You are late again, Adam," he said. "I'm sorry," I said. "I lost my phone," I said. "Be careful next time," he said. I went inside and started working, but I could not stop thinking about my phone. Where was it? On my bed? On the bus? On the street? After work, I decided to look for it. I went back to the bus stop. I asked the driver, "Did you find a phone today?" I asked. "No, sorry," he said. Then I went to a small cafe near the bus stop. I asked the woman at the counter, "Did someone bring a phone here?" I asked. "No, we did not," she said. I felt very sad. I sat on a bench near the park. I looked at the ground. I did not know what to do. Then I heard a voice. "Are you looking for this?" the voice said. I looked up. A young woman was standing in front of me. She was holding a phone. My phone. "Yes, that is my phone," I said. "Thank you so much," I said. "I found it on the bus," she said. "It was under the seat." "You saved my life," I said. She laughed. "I'm Emma," she said. "I'm Adam," I said. We sat on the bench and talked. She was very kind. She had a soft smile. She worked in a flower shop. She loved dogs. She liked old movies. I felt happy talking to her. I forgot about my bad day. I forgot about being late. I forgot about everything. Then she looked at her watch. "I have to go," she said. "I'm late for dinner." I felt nervous. I did not want her to leave. I wanted to see her again. "Emma," I said. "Yes," she said. "Can I see you again?" I asked. She looked at me for a moment. Then she smiled. "Yes," she said. "Give me your number," she said. I wanted to laugh. My phone was in my hand, but I said nothing. I gave her my number. She saved it in her phone. Then she waved and walked away. That night, I could not sleep. I kept thinking about her. I kept checking my phone. The next morning, I got a message. It was from Emma. "Good morning, Adam," the message said. "Do you want to meet today?" My heart was very happy. "Yes, I want to meet," I replied. We decided to meet in the park, the same park where we first talked. When I arrived, she was already there. She was sitting under a tree. She was reading a book. I sat next to her. We talked again. We laughed again. But that day, something strange happened. A man came to us. He looked angry. He looked at Emma. "Emma, we need to talk," he said. Emma's face changed. She looked scared. This is the end of part 1. If you want to hear what happens next, say, "Continue the story." The man looked very angry. He stood in front of Emma. "Why are you here?" he asked. "We need to talk." Emma stood up slowly. "Please go away," she said. "I am with my friend." "I am not leaving," the man said. "You promised to meet me today." I felt confused. I looked at Emma. "Who is he?" I asked. Emma took a deep breath. "He is my ex-boyfriend," she said. "He does not want to leave me alone." The man looked at me. "Stay out of this," he said. "This is not your problem." But I did not want to leave. "Please stop," I said. "You are making her uncomfortable." The man became more angry. People in the park started looking at us. Then a park guard came. "Is there a problem here?" he asked. Emma said, "Yes, he is bothering me." The guard looked at the man. "Sir, you must leave now," he said. The man looked at Emma one last time. "This is not over," he said. Then he walked away. Emma sat down again. Her hands were shaking. "Are you okay?" I asked. "Yes," she said. "Thank you for staying." "I am sorry," she said. "I did not want you to see that." "It is okay," I said. "I am glad I was here." We sat quietly for a moment. Then Emma smiled a little. "Do you still want to walk in the park?" she asked. "Yes," I said. We walked slowly under the trees. The sun was warm. The air was calm. After some time, Emma spoke. "That man and I broke up 1 month ago," she said. "He still calls me every day." "That must be hard," I said. "Yes," she said, "but today I feel stronger." I looked at her. "You are very brave," I said. She smiled. "Thank you, Adam," she said. After the walk, we went to a small cafe. We drank tea and talked more. We talked about books. We talked about dreams. We talked about the future. That day I felt very happy. Not because everything was perfect, but because I was not alone. When it was time to go home, I said, "Can I see you again tomorrow?" "Yes," she said. From that day, we met many times. We helped each other. We laughed together. We felt safe together. 3 months later, Emma told me something. "That man finally stopped calling," she said. "I feel free now." I was very happy for her. "Now we can start a new life," I said. 1 year later, we moved into a small apartment together. It was not big, but it was full of love. Sometimes I think about that morning, the day I lost my phone. If I did not lose it, I would never meet Emma. One small mistake brought the best thing into my life. This is our story. Sometimes bad days bring good beginnings. Now let's practice together. Read the story again slowly. Repeat after each sentence. Practice every day. See you in the next English learning video.